Hello Miss, good morning. Introduce my name is Cinta Wening Suci. I am from the study program Sastra Inggris A2. Here I will remember the novel entitled Dylan I Love You from Stephen Zahn. Question number 1. Give your opinion about the story. Is there anything interesting? How do you like it? My answer, this novel brings you to experience the world of fanatical fans the many teenagers experience. What happiness to a successful entertainer, and it's not always pleasant. But I like the way Stephen Zahn started the story, how Elise started to like Dylan, how Dylan started to remember Elise. I really like it when Elise was in Celebrity Girlfriend because at that time I laughed out loud. Okay, this is a joke. When I read it, I like Dylan, even though for a guy he's too soft and talk too much. Oh yes, I really like Tora, Dylan's sister, because sister or brother, because even though she is such a mess, she cares about her sister problems, sister or brother, I don't know. Number 2, what is the biggest conflict in the story? My answer, the point where Alice will finally become Dylan's girlfriend and experience terror like what Karin's ex Dylan experienced, and the terror experienced by Alice was truly beyond reason because she wanted to kill Alice. Question number 3, select a main character from the novel and analyze their traits and role in the story. How does this character contribute to the overall narrative? My answer, Elise. Yes, Elise or Dylan. Yes, basically they put Sam to the main characters in this novel. Elise is always referred to as a mature girl by Dylan, but I'm really sorry I don't see the mature side of Elise. Yes, she's mature for high school students like her. Question number 4. What are the major themes you identified in the novel, and how do they contribute to the novel message or meaning of the story? My answer, the theme is the story of a high school student named Elise who will perform an event for her seniors and choose a song from the band Skillful. That's where Elise saw the members of Skillful, and in the end she was very fascinated by the look of the band's vocalist Dylan. In the end, she did various things. How did he get the hearts of the band vocalist with the help of insiders? Where in the end, from the many ways he succeeded in getting the band vocalist hurt by letting Alice become a celebrity boyfriend for just one day, and from there, Dylan felt comfortable chatting with her. Alice then they exchanged telephone numbers and continued on their next date until Dylan shot Alice, and they went back straight because they didn't want Alice to be terrorist like Karin, Dylan's ex-girlfriend. Even though the only people who knew they were dating were those close to them. For some reason, Alice was also terrorist. SMS, any anonymous letters, a call from a girl with a ton of extreme hatred. Then it came to an attempted murder. And it only lasts a month or a few weeks because Alice, who couldn't stand the terror, kept coming. The message from the novel is that before we make that decision, we must also know the consequences of being a celebrity boyfriend. Question number 5. Can you discuss a specific scene that you found particularly interesting or significant? Why? My answer were when Dylan really looks like he really loves Alice and wants Alice to return to him after the relationship and because of the acts of terror experienced by Alice and Dylan looking for the perpetrator of the terror with his brother and his brother's girlfriend finally found him and it turned out that the perpetrator of the terror was Dylan's big fans there looked disappointed, annoyed, and angry at Dylan towards the fans, but Dylan humbly made an agreement with the fans not to repeat his mistake again. Question number 6. Why do you think the author wrote this? My answer, because the author of this novel really enjoying the lyrics of songs about love while he wrote a novel about love at dawn. Question number 7. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the story and why? My answer 7 to 10 Stephen Zahn storytelling style. The language is light and in some parts it tends to make you look, so I don't get bored when reading it. Yes, even though the story in this novel is actually like it is a love story between an artist and his fans. Number 8. Who would you recommend this story to and why? My answer, it seems that at the moment I don't want to recommend people to read this novel because for me now is not the time to read romance novels like this anymore, no matter what. But now the era is sophisticated and they must have seen and heard a lot similar stories on their television or cell phone or handphone. Okay, maybe that's enough of my novel review, more or less. Please forgive me. Thank you.